In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get around Netflix's password sharing crackdown. Meaning that if you watch to the end of this video, you will be able to get around the Netflix password sharing conundrum, because as everybody knows, it's very, very annoying that you can't share your password with Netflix anymore. I'm going to be explaining to you exactly how to hook up devices in multiple different internets to one singular Netflix account. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to stick around till the end of the video, as well as maybe putting it on 0.5 times speed, because I am going to talk fast and I don't want to waste any of your time. So with that all being said, let's get right into it. So if we check out the current Netflix plan offering, as we can see, the normal standard Netflix pricing, which is about $7 per month, which includes ads, says that there is only 2 devices that your household can watch at the same time. What they're saying right here is that you can only have one Netflix account per household, which essentially means that you can only have one Netflix account in one single house. And the way that they track this is by using your Wi-Fi IP address. Meaning, let's say you had 2 houses, you had a main house and you had a house B. You can't access your Netflix account anywhere but house A, because they will track it by using the Wi-Fi IP address. But what if we could change our Wi-Fi IP address in house B to be house A, meaning that Netflix doesn't see any conundrum because it only sees the device in one singular location. The way that we're going to be doing that is we are going to be using NordVPN. Now, for full transparency, you do have to pay for NordVPN, but if you guys do use the link in the description to sign up for NordVPN, you will get 3 months of NordVPN for completely free, so just keep that in mind. And what we're going to be doing with NordVPN is that we are going to be using a feature called MeshNet. And the great part about MeshNet is that you can actually use MeshNet with the 3-month free trial, so keep that in mind. All you guys need to do if you guys want to enable MeshNet is that you want to go ahead and hit the on button right here. So essentially how MeshNet is going to work is that, as we can see, my device, which is my computer, is currently connected to my MeshNet and it has a singular IP address. All I would need to do is that, let's say I wanted to use my Netflix account on my phone in a completely different Wi-Fi. All I would have to do is just download NordVPN on my phone, hit link device, and then click link external device. And then make sure when you guys do this, what you guys are going to want to enable is you're going to want to enable allow traffic routing and then allow local network access. And then once you guys do that, you're going to want to go ahead and enter in an email address to the device that you want to be streamed through MeshNet. So all you would have to do is just send an email to yourself, and then you'll be able to go ahead and add a device from another place to this device. So essentially how it's going to work is that as long as my computer is online, NordVPN will connect device B, let's say it's my phone, to the IP address of device A, meaning that Netflix will not be able to tell the fact that this is in a different location than that one. This is also how you get around the device threshold requirement, is that if I do this method and if I have NordVPN, it will only count as one device. Now, you guys can get 3 months of NordVPN for completely free if you go ahead and sign up using the first link in the description. But let's say you guys wanted to get Netflix for completely free at the same time. I'm going to go ahead and get on my phone and show you guys a method that you could use right now to get Netflix for completely free. So all you guys are going to want to do if you guys want to get Netflix for completely free is you are going to want to go to the App Store and download an app called CashApp. If you guys already have CashApp installed, make sure to go ahead and create another CashApp account for this method to work. Once you guys get into CashApp, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the top right, scroll the way down to where it says enter referral code. Once you guys do that, you are going to want to enter in this exact referral code. The referral code is going to be TSQQV7H. Just like that, guys. And then once you guys go ahead and enter that, you're going to want to go ahead and hit enter. After that, you're going to want to go ahead and link a bank account or a debit/credit card to CashApp. And then immediately after, you're going to want to go to this button right here, hit $5 and pay someone. So you're going to have to go ahead and pay someone $5 that you already know who has Cash App. You could go ahead and pay me, which I can go ahead and refund you. I'm going to go ahead and include my cash tag in the description down below, so you guys can go ahead and do this. And then once you guys do this, you will get a free $10. Now, for full transparency, I will also get this $10, but you'll go ahead and be supporting me, and it's at no cost to you, so it's literally a win-win. Basically, this guy right here will get a free $10 added to his Cash App balance. And the reason why we want this free $10 is so we can pay for Netflix for completely free. All we would have to do that is go ahead and create a cash card, which is a real debit card that Cash App will then send you. Once you guys get this debit card, all you will have to do is enter in the debit card details into your Netflix subscription. And just like that, you guys will have a free month of Netflix for completely free. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to go ahead and click on this video that you can see right here, right now.